Hello viewers. Well, we're getting our first major snowstorm of the year. Looks like somebody with a snowmobile went through already sometime last night. I can see the track over there. Yep, and I'm going to be going out in a little bit, and I gotta do a few things. I gotta get the snowblower out, gotta get that started, because I haven't done that yet. I did get a new battery for it. And also, I gotta put some gas in the snowblower, or snowmobile. I just got some gas for that this morning. So, let's go outside, shall we? Yep, so here we are. It's really snowing out. And we've probably got about 6 inches already. And I gotta shovel this. And you can see out there. I better get in the garage. I don't want to get the camera wet. But yeah, you can see where I already went out. I took my mom to work today, so she didn't have to drive in this. So yeah, first big snowstorm in upstate New York. And they're getting hit harder out west. I think out in Iowa they're really getting hammered real bad. But this is awesome. And I'm going to get my snowmobile out, and I got to get the snowblower started. I got some fresh gas right here, and some right there. So I'm just gonna make a little video documentary of today. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but we'll see. So first thing I'm gonna do is get the snowblower out and try to clear the driveway out. Alright, prepare for some swearing here. I just got this motherfucking thing all nice and motherfucking filled up with some motherfucking fuel. And then I noticed this thing's leaking right here. See how this is connected to that? Well, it kind of deteriorated. So I go to try to shut off the fucking gas valve, and the fucking gas valve is motherfucking seized up. So I had to wait. I had to get this gas can while the gas is going all over the place. Get this gas can and just sit here, get this off, and wait for like 20 minutes for this thing to fucking take a piss. So I'm really fucking irritated right now. So anyway, hopefully I can just cut this off, because I really don't feel like driving somewhere to get a whole new gas line. Hopefully I can just cut it off and make it work. But that really fucking pissed me off. Okay, that's fixed. And just a note to anybody who works on stuff, make sure you check the condition of the hoses and stuff before you put fuel in, so that way you don't have a problem like I just did. At least I didn't lose too much fuel. Anyway, let's try this again. Okay, we're all gassed up. I got air in all but one of the tires, because I can't really get back there to it. So let's give this a try. It's kind of hard to start if it's been sitting for a while. Oh, I better check the oil. Oil looks okay. The end of the stick is black for some reason. The oil is cleaner than it looks. So let's try it out. If I'm lucky, it'll fire right up. If not, I'll have to give it a little prime. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a little prime. Okay, fire 2. I love the smell of starting fluid in the morning. Reminds me of winter and trying to start snowmobiles with it. Oh, come on. Left the choke on too long. This thing is so cold-blooded. Finally! I had to pour gas down the spark plug hole. It's just so hard to get the thing to suck fuel when it's dry. About time. I haven't even get a chance to clean it up yet. Let it warm up and hope we don't run into any more problems. See if the light still works. Yep. Okay. Well, I got the other tire filled, and I just tested the snowblower and it works good. So I'm just going to quickly film me going down the driveway once, just so you guys can see. Anyway, I'm going to get the rest of the driveway cleaned out, and then we're going to get the snowmobile out. Okay, snowmobile's warming up, so I'm going to go on a little ride out in the field. So I'm going to put the camera in the camper, so you can kind of sit on the table and look out the window. Get too much snow in here. I'll try to position this so you can see good. Alright, she's all warmed up. So I'm gonna go out and play some trails. And I'm gonna edit this for time so it doesn't take so long. So here we go. That looks pretty cool. Alright, bye for now.